shut down Teledyne, a place that makes parts for the F-35 engines that are dropping bombs on Gaza and Lebanon. Clear! Clear!
Yes.
Clear!
This is for your complicity in genocide. We're here to shut this factory down. So this, we understand this to be the roof that gives us access to the clean room. Oh shit!
See there, F-35 clean room. We've got it, boys. There are our comrades. Brave, brave, brave. We're here for Palestine and for Lebanon. We're just normal people. We've never done anything like this before. This is to stop the genocide.